You want to remove the motor of the side hinged window in the Marco Polo. Open the tailgate, fold the rack upwards and push the curtain to the side. Then the lining of the D-pillar has to go. Depending on the model, there can be a screw behind the small cover. In our case, the lining can be removed in one piece. Now undo the screw on the window. This is followed by the first screw on the body. Unplug the connector and remove the other two screws. Then remove the motor. After installing, check the function of the window. If everything works, the repair was successful.